Have you ever wondered if your WordPress site is fast enough? It is pretty simple. The faster your website, the happier your audience will be. So it is crucial to understand that when you optimize your website for speed, it not only leads to an improvement in customer experience, but also in conversion rate and finally your sales too. Also, Google confirms that site speed affects your site ranking, so this is a factor that also affects whether your site will be easily discoverable. With that in mind, in this video I'll share 8 things that you can do to speed up your site. Before we jump into methods for making your site faster, you have to find out what actually is your site speed. Each page on your site can have a different site speed depending on what's on it. But usually people measure the speed of the home page. Luckily, there are multiple tools for that. The most popular is Pingdom, where you enter the URL of your site and see the results. It also points out issues on your site that impact speed. Another great tool is GTmetrix, which works in the same way and gives a pretty deep analysis on your site speed. A reliable hosting provider can have a huge impact on your site speed. It may seem a good idea to choose a shared hosting for your website that offers unlimited bandwidth, disk space, domain hosting, emails, etc. However, most of the shared hosting providers are notorious for offering bad uptime. So the point is, if you need to choose a shared hosting, always make sure it is offering at least standard uptime. Otherwise, you will have to compromise on uptime, especially during the peak traffic hours. Some good hosting providers I can suggest are Cloudways, Kinsta, and WP Engine. All have great performance and are well liked among WordPress users. Not all WordPress themes are optimized for speed, so choose a theme that is lightweight and with minimal design. The more complex features the theme has, the bigger the chance for slow loading. Some themes I could suggest are Cadence, Astra, and the Visual Composer Starter theme. All are great for a fast site. There is no doubt that effectively used images can help you drive more visitors to your site and ultimately achieve sale goals. At the same time, it is important that all the images on your site are appropriately scaled and optimized for speed. Any type of images such as photographs, GIFs, infographics, and other visual elements on your site can make your site heavy. However, it doesn't mean that you have to choose low-quality images. There are numerous ways and tools using which you can reduce the image sizes without compromising on the quality. WP Smush is an award-winning image optimization plugin, and it's free. So you can start here by installing this plugin. We also have a separate video on image optimization, so you can check it out too. I leave it here at the top of this video. When it comes to optimizing a WordPress site, the importance of caching plugins can be underestimated. They create static copies of your posts and serve them to your visitors without sending a request to an outside server. That way, your users get a fast experience on your website. W3 Total Cache is one of the most popular plugins for this purpose. If your site is visited by people from different locations in the world, then you must try using a Content Delivery Network, or CDN for short. The loading speed of your website is different if a visitor is located far away from your server location. So CDN can help you improve the experience for your long-distance visitors. Content Delivery Network creates a copy of your site for various data centers located in different places. The main objective of a CDN is to serve your website to a user from the nearest possible place. You can easily integrate CDN with your WordPress site. Max CDN and Cloudflare are 2 renowned CDN services you can use. By eliminating unnecessary data from your database, you can speed up your site to a great extent. If you want to keep your database size to a minimum, you must remove spam comments, unnecessary drafts, and fake user accounts available on your site. It is also important to uninstall unwanted plugins that are no more in use. Keeping such plugins will add a huge amount of junk, Moreover, they also take more size of your backup and put an unnecessary load on your server. For those who don't know, trackbacks and pingbacks are two core components of WordPress that inform users whenever their website receives a link. This feature puts a huge amount of strain on server resources, resulting in slow website speed. If you don't find these useful, you can simply disable them. To do that, go to your WordPress admin panel and locate Settings. There, click on Discussion. Here, disable the Allow link notifications from other blogs, and trackbacks and pingbacks won't be added to new posts. To disable for posts that you have already created, click on All Posts. Then click on Screen Options. There, for number of items per page, put 500, so you see all of your posts. Then select all of them and under the bulk action, choose Edit and Apply. Now, here on the left, choose Do Not Allow for the ping option. By speeding up your website, you can not only improve user experience, but also enhance the chances of conversion. And when it comes to conversions, every single second matters. So speed up your site using these tips and let us know which ones helped you. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.